Alright guys, first up we're going to test out the Proline frequency energizer. As you can see, we got it plugged in. We have a nice amber light here. And what we have is just the basic iPod Nano first generation with the Wolfson audio chip, high quality, going in via RCA jacks into the inputs. Then we have the outputs going into the fancy LaPi LP2020A Plus. Nothing really too fancy, it's just a joke, but I just want to see how it works. So I'm not going to talk here for a minute, I'm just going to let you listen to it. Well, that was pretty cool, guys. Hopefully you could tell the difference in the bass boost. And I also did both of the slopes for the contour for the high frequency. I'm not able to find any details to know the difference between slope A and slope B, but I do believe this is a 12 dB boost either way. Maybe it's a steeper slope with one or the other, but I'm just trying to find information about that. If anybody knows, please let me know. Well, next up, let's try out the Fosgate frequency energizer and see if it works. Alright, so next up we'll try out the Fosgate frequency energizer. We've got her plugged in, as you can see. The light might look amber to you, but it's actually red. My white balance must be off a little bit. So let's try it out and see how it works. Alright, I'll just show you real quick the back connections, how I have it hooked up. I have the iPod Nano first generation with a 3.5 millimeter going into the RCA jacks. And as you can see, according to the instructions here, this will be the input. And then what we're going to do is use just the regular output here. And this is going to go via RCAs into the little LaPi amplifier. Just a quick note about my test speaker. These are Infinity reference 6.5 inch, and just so you know, these piezo tweeters are not hooked up. Just wanted something a little bit better quality than the cheap bookshelf speakers I normally use. That way you could hopefully hear the difference in the bass and the treble during the demo. There you have it, folks. Proof that vintage electronics can still power new age, new technology such as iPods. These are the Fosgate frequency energizers. We have the Proline model, estimated around 1972, and the Fosgate model, estimated around 1973. These are vintage electronics. Well, there you have it, guys. Another old school demo by Big D Wiz, oldschoolstereo.com. Stay tuned for more history, test, overviews, and some other stuff. Subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned. We have some interesting things coming up in the near future. This is Big D Wiz. I'm out of here.